Good day, good day, good day. So peep this. I'm about to work on some dolly, not dolly. I keep calling this a dolly. Oh my goodness. I'm about to work on building an area that I can use to help clamp down on my sawhorses because there's no rib, nowhere to. I need like a table, right? First, I have my work bench or whatnot, but I can't cut anything up there, you know what I mean? So, that's what I'm about to work on, and currently I am suiting up, honey. Suiting up. So, I'll be back once probably I'm done. Alright, I'm back. And guess what? I'm still not done. So, I've cut both ends off. And now it is time to try and cut this section to go across this. Now I'm going to show you what I attempted to use to help me sort of get the shape of this. But as you saw, I'm not very fond of it. Maybe I'm not doing something right. But it started to open and expand and then it made it weird. So I don't know. If I'm not using this right, somebody please tell me, because I mean, I'm going to show y'all what I got. Now this is better on this side. It's starting to look like. Okay, yeah, so it's not completely like the smoothest situation. But yeah. And tracing, this is basically what I got. Not exactly on this side, because I did this for this one. On this side instead of the side I was just on, but yeah, so we shall see. Alrighty, can you hear me? Alright, so listen, I got one side down. Let me show you. Yeah, baby. And it does what it is I need it to do. Okay. It's not really snug. I'm pretty sure once I straighten everything up and get everything together and everybody's together, it might be a little bit more snug, but for the most part, again, it did what I needed it to do. So yeah, we're almost done. I'm about to cut this next with the jigsaw, and yeah, we'll be done. I'll be back. Alright, ladies and gents, I would just like to show you the way that I cut this. I used the jigsaw, as I said before, and I just cut each side. It's right here. Oh my goodness, my eye. Hold on one second, my eye is like, Then I went in with these tools here. Just as an example, I used this first to knock out these two sections here. Boom, and then boom. Then I go back with this big boy to just clean this up once this is cut. Once these two are gone, I use this to just clean that part up just a little bit. So far, I've only cut this one board. I cut the sides. I have not chamfered it at all. That's what you would like to call it. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay. So I'm just doing cutting first, then I'm gonna go back and do that, and then sand it up. Hands with the, like, actually having a sander sheet in my hand, and just clean it up like I did the first one, and we'll be done. But now I have to go and cut the last other side of the last board, and then chop this out, and we're finished. Then I can go in the house, take me a shower. Alrighty. So finally we're done. Some things we have to do because I cut up a little too far on one. I chamfered a little too far. Anyway, this is what we have. And this is what we have. Yeah, it lifts a little bit, but it's okay because it's not really going anywhere when I put what I need to put on there. And then this one, same thing. As you see, we have a hiccup here. I ended up cutting that a little too much, but yeah, my hands look absolutely horrible. It is winter and everything and it gets horrible. Anyway, this is the other side. I can't turn it down right now because this is the problem that we had. This ended up splitting. You can see maybe, but all of that is split from here. You start to see, and you can see exactly. And so all of this is, like this part right here is lifted. So yeah, we're doing a little surgery, and once surgery is over, it'll be fine. It'll be good and ready to rock and roll. But yeah, overall, my goal is accomplished. So, with that being said, my job here is done. I can't see what my face look like. I'm pretty sure it's probably dry. Yeah, I did this as soon as I woke up just because I needed to go ahead and get this knocked out before I continue to move along with the rest of my day. But anyway, goal accomplished. I'll come back once that is all done and all those great things. And then I'll be back to show y'all. And of course, in videos to come, y'all will see me using this and this being functional. You got the point. All right, y'all have a good one. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, on to the next one.